What's kicking, guys? I am back. Been gone for quite some time, but now I am back with this lovely demon. Never had it before. This is also brand new to me. But goddamn, this is what caught my eye, that 9.5. Now, this can either be fucking horrible or delicious. We're about to find out. Time to crack the sucker. Let's see what it sounds like. Ooh. Ooh, what the? That smells interesting. I think I smelled that before. Well, time for the pour. Oh yeah. Gonna just say fucking pour the whole thing in there if I can. Oh yeah, nice and slow. That's the way we like, Damn, yo, this is actually pretty beefy for a little beer. I think this beer cost me $2, maybe? Wow, that fits my wow! That fit my glass perfectly. Yes, I have a Guinness glass. We're gonna ignore that. But, shit, time to taste the sucker. But first, I like that smell. It's kind of fruity. This is a Golden Monkey Belgian style triple. Damn, that's 1 pint. 9.5. I can't get over 9.5. This is probably gonna be really bad. Whoa. That's not bad. Oh my god. I've been fucking sleeping on fucking Golden Monkey. God damn, that's fucking delicious. I'm buying that. That is getting bought. And I only need 2 of these things. I'm gonna buy more. This is delicious. Well, this one in particular. What is my cat doing? Okay, he's being a little savage. Yeah, that's really good. Ignore my not painted. Yeah, I'm working on the house still. I've just been lazy about painting certain things, and that's one of them. I'm sure you know why. I don't feel like moving the fucking fridge. I'll do it eventually, I promise. Next year. Damn, that's so hoppy. I don't think I could. I bet I could fucking down this. Bet you all of my 2 cents in my account. Let's go. Nah, that's not happening. I guess I'm broke now. You can take my 2 cents. Holy crap. That's, wow. My eyes are getting all red and shit. Well, you can't tell. I'm Asian and Spanish, so. Oh, man. Spanish beard, Asian eyes. It's how it is sometimes. Curly hair. Oh, shit. That almost came up. Yo. Yes. Luda. Stop. My cat, like, you hear that? My cat's being a savage, scratching whatever he can find. Hey, come here. Come here. Up. Come here. Up. Don't knock everything over now. Up. Come here. Oh, he said the hell with me. That I don't want any part of this video. Come on. Up. Come on. Come on, short, stubby man. Oh, shit. Come here. Come here. Little greedy bastard. Hold on, you can't put your butt in there. It's considered porn. This is the crazy tabby that just made all that dang noise. He's like, give me all the scratches. Oh, come here. This is my child. You smell that? You want no part of that, yep. This is Luda. His first name was Luna. Made a mistake, thought he was a girl. If only you knew how we found out. Oh boy. Oh Jesus. Oh, that is strong. Hey, I'm about to go to sleep right here, old man. Oh, young man. He's like 1 year old. Wanna go somewhere? Oh, okay. Wanna go sleep? Well, you know what that means when the cat goes to sleep in your arms. Oh, he's gone. He wants pets. Man, this drink is, you know, I don't think this is a good idea to have at parties. If people gotta drive, don't do it. Cause this shit, crazy, I'm feeling it, just a little bit. Man, I'm burpy as hell. That beer was the shit. I will definitely buy that for movie nights. And whenever I have three spare beds, you know, cheap way of getting fucked up, hanging out with friends, play some pool, do some stupid shit. It's definitely a good way to go. It's only 19 ounces, which is a pint. Yeah, no, I definitely suggest getting and trying this drink. It is, once again, called Golden Monkey Belgian Style Triple. 9.5%. Yeah, I know. Yeah, he's a needy boy. Well, there you have it, guys. I say buy it if you can find it. Drink it if you can drink it. That's it. You guys have a lovely day. Stay blessed. And bye-bye.